Hello everybody and welcome to the Jen and Thomas YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the Daiquiri. It's a very simple cocktail, only about 3 ingredients. You're going to want to go with light rum, a simple syrup, and some lime juice. A little word of advice for you, start with your least expensive ingredients first, so that way, if you screw it up, you don't have to throw out any expensive booze. We're gonna start with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and we're gonna be making 2 cocktails today. So we're gonna be doing 1.5 ounces. So we're gonna squeeze our limes. A little word for you guys at home, I'm using this jigger made by OXO, and I love it because it just fits perfectly in your shaker tin, so while you're getting your other ingredients, lets anything else drip out. So we did our 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and now we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of our homemade simple syrup. This is a semi-rich, so it's about 1.5 parts sugar to 1 part water. I think that's better because it's not too sweet, but still gives you a pretty good level of sweetness and texture. And then finally, our rum. A lot of times people will choose to do a Cuban style rum, but today we're going with the Plantation 3 stars, and the 3 stars being Barbados, Jamaica, and Trinidad. And we're gonna do 2 ounces. Then you get your cheater tin and some nice hand flavored ice. Pour that in there. You're gonna shake it for about 30 seconds. We're gonna get our chilled Coupes, get our Hawthorne strainer, and I personally like to double strain my daiquiris, and normally you would go with a less comically large strainer. Normally I have my cocktail strainer, but I forgot it at home today. And so again, I like to keep my daiquiris very strained, so I keep the ice crystals out, so I keep my Hawthorne strainer closed. As long as I don't miss here. And the thing is, with the closed Hawthorne strainer, it does take a little longer to pour, but hopefully you are not in a rush. Maybe open it up a little bit to get it going. And there you go, you have your classic daiquiri. Cheers, and if you want to learn more about the fantastic history of this cocktail, please check us out on the Jen and Thomas podcast on Spotify, Apple, wherever you get your podcasts. Thank you.